Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click on the bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoy this DIY, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today we're going to do some more Dollar Tree DIY home decor. The first one we're going to make is actually this mirror. And what we're going to do is basically use one of these pool noodles. And what I did was just kind of measure out 1 inch size pieces, and then I'm going to cut them. So I just got a ruler and just did 1 inch again with a marker and just drew a line, and then I'm going to cut it with an X-Acto knife or even a box cutter. You can even use scissors if you want for this because it's so simple and easy. The foam is really easy to cut through. So any way you want to, just go ahead and use any device and start cutting that 1 inch little foam pieces. You can use this mirror as home decor for a wall, or you can even use it on a table as a centerpiece, and then put maybe a floral vase on top of it. Either way, it would look really pretty, and just depending also on what color. I actually spray painted this one a really pretty blue color, as you're going to see later on. But I think I'm going to do one for Christmas and make it more like a Christmas tree. If you're interested in me making a DIY on that one, let me know and I'll be sure to make it for you guys during Christmas time. So this is the mirror I'm going to use. There's so many different kinds of mirrors and shapes that you can use from Dollar Tree. I just decided to use this one. And all I'm going to do is basically remove the mirror part. And it's just like a picture. So you just kind of remove the backing and then just pop out the mirror. And I'm going to set those aside. Now the fun part starts, where you're just going to decorate with your little 1 inch foam pieces, and you can decorate and glue them on any way you want. I'm just using hot glue, but you easily can use permanent glue as well as hot glue to attach these foam pieces to your mirror frame. Once you're done with your first layer of the foam pieces, wait a few minutes so it can cool and dry, and then you can start adding your second layer or second row. Again, you can make any design you want, any shape you want. Just go ahead and start gluing the next layer of foam pieces. Just make sure you add glue to both sides to attach to the other foam. And then again, once you're done with the second row, just wait a few minutes, let them all completely dry before you continue going on and on. The design I'm doing is very organic, basically just kind of gluing them wherever I think there needs to be one. But you can also do it more structured if you want, even use like a stencil and then add them that way. It just depends on which way you want to do them, but I'm doing it more organic, so I'm just kind of making layers of it. And then you're going to see at the end, I'm going to put kind of like make it more of a point on two ends, just because I thought that would look cute for the what I'm going for. So you can again do any design you want, and I'm just going to glue, as you can see right here are the two final ones at the end, just to make it more like 2 points. And then once you're done adding all of your foam pieces, you're going to again wait for it to dry, at least the last pieces that you added on, and then you're going to go ahead and spray paint it any color you want. I would recommend you add a base coat of spray paint if you want to do 2 layers of the paint that you're going to use, or you're going to see that I'm going to use just an extra spray paint that I had, just to give it a base coat first. Let that completely dry, and then I'm going to give it a second coat of the actual color that I'm going to use. And this is the permanent color that I'm going to use, which is a satin blue. And then once it's all completely dry, just bring it in and then go ahead and flip it over and add your mirror back into the frame. And this is the way it looks completely done. Our second DIY is really easy also. It's basically just assembling it together. You're going to get 2 of these candle holders, and you can spray paint these if you want. I'm keeping them actually black, but just go ahead and get 2 different candle holders of different sizes if you want. And then you're going to get these dome pieces, and all I'm going to do is basically remove the bottom part of the dome, and I'm going to glue the candle holder onto that dome, and I'm just going to use some permanent glue and hot glue to do that. And just go ahead and do that to both of your candle holders. There's so many things you can add to these little domes. I just wanted to keep it really simple for right now, but of course, like during the holidays, I might add some holiday stuff in these as well. And I might even spray paint them a different color depending on what theme I'm going to go for Christmas or Thanksgiving. So once I was done, again, since I'm not spray painting them, I'm just going to go ahead and add a simple white flower into each one of them. And you're just going to add it into that little opening on the bottom base of your dome. And then add the dome right back on top. And there you have it, an adorable ornament for your home, office. You can put this on a bookshelf, on your coffee stands, nightstands, anywhere really. So let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.